Welcome to YouTube Science Communication. Hey guys, my name is Michael. This is going to be my 6th video I've made in this class. And today's topic, I'm going to be talking about the Mesozoic Era. Let's begin. Have you guys ever seen a geological timeline? This is a geological timeline and is used to describe the timing and relationships of events that occurred during Earth's history. So I'm sure most of you guys are aware of two important parts of the timeline. The first is modern day, where humans dominate the Earth and we see modern animals all around us. The second is if we go all the way back to around 4 billion years when the asteroid hits Earth carrying amino acids and sugar molecules. Now some of you guys might be asking, but Michael, what about the other billions of years in between them? Well, thanks for asking. There are other eras between the two events. We have the Proterozoic Era, the Paleozoic Era, and the Cenozoic Era. But today, I'm going to be talking about the Mesozoic Era. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. The Mesozoic Era took place 250 to 65 million years ago. It's known as the Age of Dinosaurs. It is subdivided into three periods. The first is the Triassic Period, which was the shortest of the three. After that was the Jurassic Period, the second longest. And the third is the Cretaceous Period, which was the one that lasted the longest. Now let's take a look at each of the periods and see the difference between them. The Triassic Period is the first period of the Mesozoic Era. It follows the events of the Permian-Triassic extinction known as the Great Dying. This event almost eliminated all of life, wiping out about 95% of all living systems. Here's a video from PBS Eon explaining the event.
The Permian-Triassic extinction event nearly spelled doom for life on Earth. 96% of marine species, including many sharks, fish, and all the trilobites, were wiped out. On land, the stem mammals and the reptiles suffered as well, with a 70% loss of terrestrial species.
After the extinction event, Archosaurs and the Rhapsids survived. From these creatures, Coelophytes ended up evolving, creating the first dino-like creature. A reptile group, which I'm not even going to try to pronounce its name, even returned to the ocean. As for plants and insects, conifer forests began to recover and the grasshopper became a new group of insects. What's also cool about this period is the first mammal to be recorded. Since this creature is small, it became a herbivore and an insectivore to avoid competition from predators. The next period is the Jurassic Period. Fern and ginkgos dominated the plant life. Gymnosperms also increased in population because it allowed for wind distribution and pollen. This made it greater for genetic combination. As for reptiles, they also became dominant life forms. Now, there are too many dinosaurs to name, so I'm going to mention the bigger groups. The first group is the sauropods, which were herbivores and quadrupeds. This meant that they only ate leaves and walked on 4 legs. Some of these you might know are Brachiosaurus and Stegosaurus. Pterosaurs also became popular flying dinosaurs. On the other hand, there was a scarier group known as the Carnosaurus, which ate meat. Two big groups were Allosaurus, which were on land, and Plesiosaurus, which were in water. As for mammals, two creatures were discovered, the Albertbacillus and the Germania. Isn't it crazy that you might be related to one of these mammals? The last and the longest period is the Cretaceous Period. This period had the first flowering plant develop. Many believe that bees or wasp-related insects co-evolved with these flowers. Ancient birds also soon evolved. They soon began to grow feathers on their wings like these two. As for dinosaurs, many large sauropods went extinct, but others like the Titanosaurs flourished. Some of the herbivores like Iguanodon, Ceratopians, and Ankylosaurus survived in herds. Here's a clip from my favorite movie, Disney Dinosaur. I don't know how historically accurate it is, but I recommend watching it because it's a sick movie.
Get your head down!
Since there were lots of herbivores, there were also a lot of carnivorous dinosaurs too, such as the Big Daddy T-Rex. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This video is part of YouTube Science Communication, where we learn about the history of life on Earth and make educational videos about them. If you'd like to watch more, hit the subscribe button down below. If you'd like to learn to make video alongside us, visit the Patreon page. Link in the description below. I'll see you guys next time.